Hello, welcome to the channel Kids Cloud.
Hello friends, welcome to another video of Kids Cloud. States of matter. A distinct or definite form of matter is called a state of matter. Three states of water that we all aware are ice, water and water vapor. Thus water can exist in solid, liquid and gas form. Let's see how these three forms differ. Solids. In solids, constituent particles, that is molecules, atoms or ions, are closely packed and they have definite arrangements. The particles are held together by strong forces of attraction and hence cannot move from their fixed positions. Only some external forces, for example pressure or temperature, can disturb the specific arrangements in solids. Solids have high density. How tightly the atoms or molecules are packed inside the matter is called as density. Unlike solids, intramolecular or interatomic or interionic forces are not that much strong in liquids. Particles have more mobility as compared to solids. Hence, liquids can flow. The volume is definite, but shape is determined by the container. Third state is gas. In gases, intermolecular forces are very small. Distance between neighboring molecules is much greater than the molecular size. A gas has no definite volume as well as shape. It occupies entire container in which it is confined. We can compress them in smaller space. For example, air in the balloon, or carbon dioxide in fire extinguishers, or oxygen in medical application. How we can convert matter from one state to another is very interesting. Here again, we will take example of water to explain this. Ice is a solid form of water. It has fixed volume and shape. This solid ice gets converted into liquid water if we supply heat, or simply if you are keeping this ice outside the fridge, it started melting. Further, if we are applying heat to water, it slowly converted into a gaseous form, that is water vapor. In a reverse way, if you try to cool down these vapors, it again converts into liquid water. Further cooling of this water again leads to the formation of solid ice. Matter can change from one state to another if it heated or cooled. When solid is heated, it changes from solid to liquid state. This process is called as melting. If we continue heating the liquid, it changes to gaseous form. This is called as boiling. When the temperature of gas is lowered, it changes to liquid form. This is called as condensation. Further decreasing the temperature or cooling the liquid leads to solidification. This is called as freezing. It is very much interesting to know why these phase changes occur in matter. When we supply heat to solid, the particles gain more energy and start to vibrate faster. At certain temperature, the particles vibrate so much faster that their order structure breaks down. At this point, solid melts into liquid. The temperature at which this change from solid to liquid happens is called the melting point of that solid. When a liquid is heated, the particles gain again more energy. They start to move still faster and goes further apart. At a certain temperature, the particles become free from one another. At this point, liquid turns to gas. This is called the boiling point of that liquid. Now let's learn what happens when we remove heat from substance. Again we will explain by taking example of water. In vapor state, water molecules are more free and randomly distributed. When we cool these water vapors, intermolecular forces increase and motion of molecules is decreased. As a result, the randomness in vapor state changes to more order form and water vapor changes to liquid water. Process in which gas is converted into liquid is called as condensation. When we further decrease the temperature of liquid, the attraction between liquid molecules for one another overcome their motion and hold them in fixed positions. That's why liquid turns into solid. The process of conversion of liquid into solid is called as freezing. The temperature at which this change occurs is called as freezing point.
Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe this channel.